Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional logo using Canva, even if you have zero design experience. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for canva.com. Once you are at Canva, simply provide your email address and create a strong password for your account in order to sign up for Canva or in order to log in into your account. Now, once you are in your account, you will have to either click on the create design option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Here in the search bar, you can search for logo. The second thing that you can do is you can simply check for the pre-made logo templates in Canva. For that, you can use the search bar over here and search for logo. Now, whichever method you choose, if you want to select any of the pre-made templates in Canva, you just have to scroll down and select the logo template that you like. For example, let's say you are interested in this particular logo template, so you need to just click on it and click on the customize this template option. If you want to create your design on your own, simply just scroll to the up and click on the create a blank logo, and then it will show you this type of white blank canvas in front of you, where according to your own creativity you can design any of the logos of your choice. Let's say you have designed this one, so after selecting the pre-made template, you can now just provide the name of your brand here, and if you want to change the color of it, you can select it and change the color of it just like so once you are ready with your logo, you just have to click on the share option in the top right hand corner of the screen, click on the download option over here, select the pages that you want to download, whether it is 1 or 2 pages. For the logo format, I would recommend you to select the PNG only, then click on the download option. This way you can create your logo in Canva. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.